Hello guys. Welcome to Wow Hotel Reviews. Today I am reviewing Riyaludhathuru Maldives. It's a non-star hotel. Please use our booking.com link in description to book the hotel and get special pricing. Riyaludhathuru Maldives is located in Thoddoo. Located a 6-minute walk from Thoddoo Beach, the property has a garden and free private parking. The air-conditioned vacation home is composed of 3 separate bedrooms, a living room, a fully equipped kitchen with a fridge and minibar, and 3 bathrooms. Towels and bed linen are available in the vacation home. A la carte, continental or halal breakfast is available every morning at the property. A bicycle rental service is available at the vacation home. Use our link in description to get special discount on this hotel. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.